Welcome back to Ta-da 3D printing. Okay, here we are ready to unbox the MMU3 for the MK4. I do have some other printers running in the background, so hopefully they're not too loud. So we have the MMU3 for MK4. This is the one that has the printed parts. I felt like it would just be the easiest to have it already done for me. And I originally ordered the MMU3s, all of them together. I have since looked back, and the one for the MK3S, I posted instructions on that about 7 months ago. So it took quite a while to get this one. But I do have two of these, and we'll see how they compare with the MK3. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing. So first thing we have is thank you, a link to the assembly instructions, because of course these are all digital. They don't give you the instructions in print, but there is a handbook once you've finished on how it works, etc. It's just not how to actually put it together, because they're constantly modifying that and updating that. And of course our stickers. We've got the gummies, MK4 parts for the MMU3. So these are definitely different. Okay. And then the printed parts for the MK4. I feel like that last time was all together. So maybe this release they did a little differently. We've got our tools, standard tools, pliers, screwdriver, all the wrenches, etc. We have the V2 motors and multiplexer. And just like with the other one, we have 3 motors in here. One of them is shorter, 2 are longer. Spool holder and electronics. I'm very curious about this spool holder because the other one, there were 2 versions, and I want to see if I have the updated version now. Yes. It looks like this version is the second one, and it's different than what I had before. So there's, of course, 5 of these. Also, the electronics is in here, and cable, zip ties, and tubes. Then I have all of the plastic parts and the fasteners all together. There's about 1 million bags in here, it feels like. So we'll see if that's a similar process as before. And then we still have the buffer plate. So we're still going to be putting together a very similar buffer. I'm assuming this looks almost the same. The other one had a different packaging on it. It wasn't the bubble wrap, it was clear, but it looks like the same thing. So, okay, not super excited about the buffer. That thing seemed to take up so much space between the buffer and the spools, but we'll see. I'm going to put it together stock and then make a decision if I want to make any adjustments after that. So that is it. Box is empty. It actually, when it's boxed up like this, it doesn't feel like that many parts. I'll be recording this entire process and comparing with the build for the MK3S. I also am planning to add the instructions in the corner of the videos so that you can follow along a little bit easier. The editing process does take a little while, but we'll try to knock those out quickly. Okay, time to start building this. Thanks for watching.